What is up and welcome to another video. Today is September 17, 2025, and this is the day that we have all been waiting for. The Federal Reserve is expected to cut rates, guys. So Federal Reserve is widely expected to announce its first interest rate cut of 2025 today, September 17. The consensus among market participants and economists is for a quarter percentage. This is the expectation today, guys. 25 basis points is expected today, bringing the federal funds rate to a range of 4% up to 4.25%. So majority of the retails, majority of the social media influencers are so bullish right now, expecting a pump today, guys. So in my opinion, I'm going to share with you my opinion today and what I'm expecting after the announcement, the immediate price action of the market after the announcement, before and after the announcement. So we'll talk about that and more today in this video. And if you're enjoying this kind of content, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and of course click that notification bell so you won't miss out in any of my important crypto and trade analysis. So last time I spoke about this inverse head and shoulders pattern on the Bitcoin 15-minute time frame, and the target of this inverse head and shoulders pattern is around $117,000. And if you're going to look at the chart, guys, we have hit that target. So congratulations to those who are following me on this channel, those who were able to catch this trade. Congratulations. Beautiful price action. As expected, we have hit the target one more time. So right now, what should we expect, guys? I'm gonna share with you my opinion before the announcement. That is going to be 4 hours from now at the time of recording. So we still have 4 hours to prepare and to manage our risk, because for sure there will be a huge volatility in the market, guys. So Bitcoin right now is trading at around $116,000. So first, let's check out the Chart Prime Oscillator Pro, which is in the overbought area right now in the 4-hour time frame. Let's go check out the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, we have a huge bearish divergence here that could probably play out soon. And if we are going to check the weekly time frame, we still have that double bearish divergence that could play out in the coming months. Again, if you are following me on this channel, I'm expecting a market correction in the next 2 months. So I'm expecting this double bearish divergence to play out. Of course, I could be wrong. Before we move on further, please check out the disclaimer. All right, so let's continue talking about the Bitcoin's chart. So again, we have a double bearish divergence. This could play out in the coming months, guys. So the target of this, let me just delete all drawings here. So the target of this, if you're going to plot a trend line, we have actually a possible rising wedge pattern, or shall we say parallel channel. And rising wedge pattern, we have the price right now hovering near that support. So let's see if Bitcoin will be able to continue, guys. If Bitcoin will continue to move up following this kind of trend here, then Bitcoin could probably reach and spike up to $150,000 before the end of this bull market. But in my opinion, if you're going to look at this one, we have a possible double top here. I've explained this on my previous video. Look at this, guys. This is a double top that has led to a massive correction. Another double top here that has led into a massive correction. Actually, this brings Bitcoin to from $69,000 down to $15,000 or $16,000. Bear market, from the bull market down directly to the bear market. So right now, if you're going to look at the Bitcoin's price, we have this possible double top here that has led into a major correction, 28 or 33%. Another possible double top right here. Can you see that candle wicks right there? So another major correction, which has around 30%, and right now another double top on the weekly time frame. So let's see if Bitcoin will be able to break this major resistance at around $121,000 or $122,000, guys. But if Bitcoin breaks down below the support, the ideal breakout target of this rising wedge pattern will be the bottom of the wedge, and that will give us around $60,000. But in my experience, it usually normally hit the middle zone. This is around shall we say 70 to 80% chance that Bitcoin would hit the middle zone at around $80,000. So in my opinion, double bearish divergence could play out in the coming months. And now let's go check out the lower time frame, the daily time frame. So we have a bearish divergence. We have this bullish divergence previously, which is playing out right now. And right now we're expecting this bearish divergence to play out. So the oscillator makes higher highs while the price fails to make new high. So Bitcoin needs to break the $122,000 to invalidate this bearish divergence, guys. So in the immediate short term, I think before the announcement, the price could actually probably rally up to this previous resistance at around $120,000. That will be my target before or on the announcement itself, and maybe a little bit of wick to the upside. So that will bring Bitcoin around $120-ish thousand, because market is super bullish. Market is waiting for the positive announcement, possible rate cut that is around 80 to 90% of a possible rate cut. So that is super bullish news for Bitcoin. And after the announcement, I don't see any catalyst in the market, guys. So I'm expecting a short-term pump, again, in the immediate short term. So 4-hour time frame, we have a beautiful support trend line here. So major, in the immediate short term, we have this support at around $114,000. So probably a little bit of move to the downside. This will be my price action here. And then before we go down. So probably we'll see 110 or even up to $100,000, which was my previous target for this correction, guys. So this is gonna be the price action that I'm expecting later. So maybe a possible drop to $114,000 and then a rally up to 121-ish 120-ish thousand dollars, and then a possible dump maybe after 1 hour after the announcement. So that is my opinion of the possible market or Bitcoin reaction before and after the rate cut announcement today. So I would like to hear from you guys. I will continue to update you on my X account, so be sure to follow me on my X account if you want to catch the real-time updates, market updates, guys. So be sure that you follow me on my X account and click that notification bell. So I think that's it for now. I'm going to continue to update you on my X account. And if you are part of our community, let's continue the discussion in our Discord group, in our Telegram group. It's free Telegram group, so you can check out. I'll add the link in the description down below. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to smash that like button, guys. Subscribe to the channel, and of course, click that notification bell. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.